Hey guys, in this video we cover getting started with PixiCloud, including setting up your account and registering your first device. So you will need an Android tablet handy. After signing up for PixiCloud, you should have received an email from our system to verify your new account. Click on Verify Account to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to set up a password. Once your password is confirmed, you'll be redirected to the device management page. This is where you will generate your registration code for your Android device. After you've given your device a name, click Create. On your Android device, download the Pixi app from the Google Play Store. The symbol looks just like the PixiCloud logo here. Once installed, follow the on-screen prompts within the Pixi app on your device. Just like that, your account is set up and your Pixi is ready to go.